Strategies for GED testing. Welcome to a review of the testing strategies that are important to utilize when taking the GED test. To begin, let's understand the strategy that we have already implemented in class. The strategy we have implemented in class is to achieve 80% on all of your practices. For the actual GED test, you only need 73% to pass. Most students will score lower on the actual exam, since 80% is greater than 73%. This strategy provides the needed cushion in order to obtain a passing score. An important strategy to apply before you get started is to have a confident attitude and take a long, deep breath before you begin. The vast majority of questions on the GED test are in multiple choice format. Strategy is key. With the amount of time allotted for the test, a good strategy is to spend no more than 2 minutes per question. Let's take a look at how this will work depending on the type of question. For the questions that are easy for you, mark your selection and immediately move to the next. When you come to a question that you absolutely do not understand, do not dwell on the answer. The best strategy is to choose any answer. Yes, any answer. Remember, you have a 25% chance with any answer you select. Implementing this strategy is a great way to allow yourself to spend more time on other questions. Now that you've saved up time, let's take a look at the strategy to use for the remaining questions. Elimination is an effective strategy to implement to help you find the correct answer by narrowing your choices. For example, can you eliminate at least one answer? What about two? By eliminating only one answer, you've gone from a 25% chance of selecting a correct answer to a 33% chance. Not bad. And if you can eliminate two answers, you now have a 50-50 shot of selecting the correct answer. Even better. Once you've made any eliminations, decide which of the remaining choices best answers the question and mark your selection. Next, let's review the strategy to use for lengthy reading passages, particularly those that have multiple questions for the same passage. The strategy to use in this situation is to first read the questions associated with the passage. Then peruse the passage, keeping the questions in mind. You will be amazed at how much easier and less time-consuming it is to find the correct answers using this strategy. Let's talk about the strategy of flagging. This is an important strategy to understand how and when to implement, or not. Flagging is a strategy to use when you want to return to a question to evaluate the answer that you previously selected. This is especially helpful when you are struggling between two answer choices. Do not flag those questions that you do not understand. By selecting an answer and moving on, you have already implemented the best strategy. Strategy is one giant piece of the puzzle. As you implement each of the given strategies, you will soon find yourself with a passing grade on the GED test. Thank you for watching.